Keanu Reeves, who turned 60 last month, made his debut in professional motorsports. On Saturday, October 5th, he competed for the private team Eagles Canyon Racing at the stage of the North American Toyota GR Cup. At one point, the famous movie actor flew off the track but was able to return to the race and reach the finish. The race took place on the famous Indianapolis Motor Speedway track. Reeves qualified 31st out of 35 participants and at one point was able to rise to 21st place. His Combat GR86 Coupe has a special livery advertising the graphic novel The Book of Elsewhere from the BRZRKR series, which was released this year by Keanu Reeves and famous writer China Miéville. In the second half of the 45-minute race, Reeves flew off the track onto the grass. This moment was published on social networks by the organizers, SRO Motorsports Group. The actor made it clear that he was unharmed and returned to the track. He finished 25th. Keanu Reeves has competed in races before. For example, in 2009, he even won the same Toyota Celebrity competition in the USA. But participation in the GR Cup, which is a support series for the SRO Fanatec GT World Challenge, is his first foray into the professional level. At the same time, the actor also regularly attends Formula One stages and is also the owner of a large collection of cars and motorcycles. Last year, Keanu Reeves appeared as an interviewer in the documentary series Brawn, the incredible story of Formula One. The four-part story is dedicated to the racing team Brawn GP LLTD and its championship season in 2009.